Okay guys, we're here in this beautiful harbor, Sydney Harbour. It cost us a fortune to be here filming for you guys. I'm kidding, this is for free. We're just here gonna cook this beautiful picanha. It's the rump cap of the cow. It's the rump at the back of the cow and it's protected by two muscles. So it's very tender. It's almost as tender as a fillet. So when you get your rump or rump cap from your butcher, be sure to remove this membrane at the back. That's the first thing we're gonna do. Just grab a nice and sharp knife and remove that membrane. It doesn't have to be perfect. So I know that the most tender part of this beautiful cut is from here to there. So this is the third vein. So what I usually do is I just remove from there. This part is a little bit tough. This is the most tender part of the rump cap. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna skewer it in this skewer and we're gonna cook it in a direct fire here in this beautiful harbor. First, measure three fingers and slice. Another 3 fingers and slice. Okay guys, so now we have the 3 pieces of the most tender part of our picanha. I didn't remove any fat in here because I want this fat to protect my meat. This is gonna render, this is gonna look amazing in a second. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start skewering it through this beautiful Tramontina skewer. And the first thing I do, I just go through straight to the middle. So be very careful to just grab it straight to the middle and bend it. So you have this amazing looking piece of steak. When we're gonna slice this steak, we're gonna slice against the grain. So it's gonna be nice and tender, it's gonna be nice and caramelized, and all this fat, which is beautiful fat, is gonna give us a lot of flavor. And make sure that it's coming right to the middle, so we have an even cook. And this is the last little bit here, and we're gonna skewer it. This is a little bit coarser than table salt, and it's almost like sal parrillera in Brazil. So it salts really well the meat and gives a lot of beautiful flavor. So you never over salt when you're salting with this type of salt. And I also apply some salt on those fat caps as well. The wind of the harbor is helping us apply this beautiful salt. Okay, I've got this amazing picanha skewered in this amazing harbor. I can't wait to try a picanha in the middle of the harbor. Let's do it. I'm so freaking excited to cook these beauties right here. Let's go for it. We're gonna put it first on this face for 3 minutes. Then we're gonna rotate it for 3 minutes, 3 minutes, and at the end we're gonna put the fat cap for 3 more minutes. So let's do that. First 3 minutes, go this way. 3 minutes. The reason I'm putting this with the fat facing up is because I don't want all that fat rendering and falling into my fire and creating a flare up. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes on this side. Now we're gonna go another 3 minutes on this side. Just leave it there. Can you believe I'm cooking in this beautiful place? It's just unreal, unreal. Now let's do the fat cap. We're gonna caramelize this beautiful fat cap. Around 3 minutes on a really hot fire. Okay guys, so we've been cooking this picanha in a really hot fire for around 12 to 15 minutes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna move it across to a lower heat fire. We're gonna cook it there for 6 to 12 minutes. It's been on the lower fire for around 6 to 10 minutes. We put it to rest. We're gonna put it around here. We're gonna rest it for around 5 minutes and then we start slicing. Okay, so this has rested for around 3 to 5 minutes and this beauty is ready. This is what you get in Brazilian restaurants, churrasquerias, rodicios. Basically, it's a beautiful meat, it's very tender and it's absolutely delicious. Let's slice this bad boy. Look at that beautiful thing. Beautiful fat cap. Delicious.